love luxury motorhomes like this one, make sure you hit that like button right now.
Subscribe for more incredible RV tours and drop a comment telling us your favorite feature.
Imagine a skyscraper on wheels cruising down America's highways, worth a mind-blowing $28 million, with more features than a superstar's mansion. If insane luxury on the road gets your heart racing, smash that like button, subscribe, and tell us which part blows you away before we even begin. You won't want to miss a second of what we have in store. This is not your average RV. No sir. Kenworth's legendary W900, the same long-nose rig that dodged Smokey and aided Mr. Bond on the big screen, is rumored to be reimagined as a double-decker motorhome, a rolling palace on wheels. It's twice the height, twice the wow factor of anything out there. Think of it as the ultra-luxury cousin to the Tiffin Zephyr or Integra Cornerstone. For perspective, Kenworth has built over 280,000 W900s since the 1960s. Just picturing its giant chrome grille and massive wheels is enough to make adrenaline pump through your veins. And that's only the beginning. According to concept renderings, the lower level alone has a huge open living space flowing into a gourmet kitchen. You'd find quartz countertops, a giant fridge and high-end appliances, even a central vacuum system like today's priciest coaches. The lounge area would boast plush leather seating and panoramic windows. The lower deck doesn't skimp on comfort. Picture a spa-like glass-walled shower and heated marble floors. This isn't a budget camper, it's a 5-star suite on wheels. For instance, the living area might have a plush leather sofa wall and an integrated entertainment system. This isn't just travel, it's pure luxury on wheels. And that's just the beginning. Up a hidden spiral staircase, the second story unfolds like a luxury apartment. For example, some renderings show a backlit glass spiral staircase with stainless steel rails. The layout might include a master bedroom with a king bed and a 4K TV, plus a lounge area that doubles as a home office. Rumors mention a kids' play nook and even a private massage room. Some concepts show a man cave with bar and games and a mega walk-in closet. And we haven't even mentioned the roof deck. Reports hint at a wet bar and maybe a hot tub under the stars. Just when you think it couldn't get any more outrageous, wait until you see what's on the sky deck. Every inch inside is tricked-out luxury. Think leather walls, polished exotic woods, and chrome trim everywhere. Imagine backlit crystal floors over an indoor pool, galaxy-style LED ceilings, integrated smart climate controls, and retractable sunroofs. Ultra-luxury coaches already pack crazy features. For instance, Integra's Cornerstone comes with heated leather massage captain's chairs and a full bar with beverage chiller. The Kenworth would only take that to the next level, redefining mobile opulence. Add pop-up 4K TVs, a Bose surround sound system with hidden speakers, and an integrated voice-controlled digital concierge throughout, you have a mansion on wheels. As for driving, this monster would ride on an upgraded heavy-duty chassis. It's likely powered by a 600-plus HP Cummins X15 diesel putting out nearly 2,000 lb-ft of torque, the kind of power top-tier coaches have. That's enough grunt to haul an entire mansion. But size brings challenges. The brakes and suspension would need super serious upgrades. For context, even a 45-foot Tiffin Zephyr runs custom Coney shocks, an air ride suspension, and 3-stage compression brakes. The Zephyr already packs a 12.5 kilowatts Onan diesel generator and 4 4K TVs. Now imagine doubling all that for an 80-foot rolling penthouse. It would need a massive onboard generator and bank of batteries to run every gadget. And finally, the price tag, $28 million? Take that with a grain of salt. Kenworth hasn't announced any such RV, and even today's best Class A motorhomes usually top out in the low millions. Still, cram in every extravagance and the bill can skyrocket. For now, this double-decker Kenworth is mostly rumor and renderings, but it's getting people talking. There's no guarantee we'll ever see it on the road. For now, it's all just rumor and conjecture. Keep your eyes peeled. Only time will tell. One thing's certain, Americans are watching and wondering what's next. Will this double-decker Kenworth actually hit the road, or is it just a dream? We'll keep tracking it, and if it ever becomes real, you'll get a full tour of every amazing feature. If you've enjoyed this peek at the ultimate home on wheels, hit subscribe and ring the bell. We've got more over-the-top luxury RV content coming your way. And tell us in the comments exactly which feature would blow your mind. Stay tuned, because the best is yet to come on this tour of America's ultimate home on wheels. For now, buckle up, this wild journey is only just beginning.